Alright, leak test in this fuel tank. Got it hooked up to the purge line. Got the solenoid, vent solenoid open, so close it. That's to let the smoke fill up. Now you close the vent. Still got a leak. Alrighty, so I got the fuel tank down. You can see the leak. It's just I pushed that, and it just pushed right in, rusted out. There's another spot where it's happening again. So got the new tank, new to us. Came out pretty easy. Just take the calipers loose. Luckily it had discs. Take the parking brake cables loose. Unplug the wheel sensor. Take the struts loose. And then drop it down. The big bolts came out no problem. The only bolts that broke were those. I can cut those off.